So, what exactly is a widget on Android? That photo slideshow on the top of my screen, that's a widget. The weather info below that, also a widget. Everything on this page is a widget. Clocks, calendars, reminders, you name it. Widgets are basically little snippets of apps on your phone that can show info in real time. Tap and hold any empty space on your home screen, and you'll see this menu that allows you to customize your home screen. Choose Widgets, and you'll see all the different widgets available on your phone. They can be big, they can be small, and there's a ton of apps that offer widgets. Worth noting though, not every app on your phone will have a widget available. When you tap an app from the list, you'll see previews for the widgets available for that app. Usually there's a few different layouts to choose from. Tap Add, and it goes to your home screen. If you want to move your widgets, you can tap, hold, and drag them to a different position, assuming there's enough space available. You can resize them too, and when you tap and hold a widget, you can edit them, remove them, or create what's called a stack. Stacks are pretty self-explanatory. They allow you to stack multiple widgets in the same spot. I'll go here and find a nice clock, maybe this one here. I'll add it in and boom, there it is, stacked on top of my existing widget. And now I can swipe and switch between the two. So, that's pretty much it. Keep in mind that widgets are only available on the home screen. If you swipe up to your app drawer, this view here that is full of apps, you can't add widgets here. That's the big difference between home screen and app drawer. Home screen can be customized with widgets, app drawer is only for your apps and nothing else. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.